Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome. We like doing these lives, these daily review lives. So, always going to be on here to share the good and the bad, right? My journey. So, for those that are watching me, I appreciate you guys. But let's get it right into it. So, massive, obviously, overnight gap ups. And funny enough, I actually made money short today. So, that was pretty funny. But you can actually see 3K on the day. I did post about this. Really, really solid. If you want to come check out all the links, I'm going to show you how I used Edgeful, and you can get a free trial with him in order to make money. So let's just make sure we go over the orb. Let's put up the the New York session over there. We want 9:30. Okay, 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. And then let's go to, let's go by levels. Sorry, by levels on the DOW, right? I made money on the DOW. Perfect. So what can we see from this chart? And let's bring up it over here. And as I said, funny enough, I actually made money shorting it today. And we can actually see, I do this every single day, guys. Daily report cards, daily reviews, going over my trades. And you can see over here, quick little scalp on the Dow for about 100 points. Quick little scalp, 100 points on the Dow happens pretty quickly. But what we get is that opening range low break. So I see here, this is the 1 minute chart on the Dow. I saw that we were failing to move higher here. We got the opening range high, opening range low. So what is the opening range? It's the first 50 minutes of the session open. So from 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. Eastern time. You can get the indicators with your Edgeful membership on the right-hand side. So they've done it in automatically for me. So you can actually see that would be 3:30 p.m. South African time at the moment. I didn't like the longs simply because we failed to take out pre-market highs, right? There was obviously clearly strong level of resistance over here. And basically what I saw was we took out the opening range low and we can target 0.5% of that orb. Today, the orb was 150 points. And we know that we can get half of that orb is 70 points. We get it over there. We actually get 90. To that downside, that's 0.5 of the orb size. Why? Because in the last 3 months, we got a 60% chance of moving to the downside 0.5 or of that orb. And that was my quick little scalp. We got the opening range low break, and I took that for 70 points. Call it, give or take, right? So that was my trade today. I did like the shorts again once we got back down over here again. And then this was the overnight session view up. I actually come over to US 500. Which we're actually getting great movement to the high side right now, new half day. I like the longs here off the opening range low back towards the opening range high. I actually called that out in the Edgeful Discord for those that were watching. So that was a pretty neat trade. And obviously we're getting nice, 28 points of rise here to end off the day. New York stock market closes at the moment. So we have had a 6% down Tesla, Nvidia up 5%. So things are absolutely ripping. And overnight looks like we could be going as well. So very, very nice trading day here today. I think there were some nice opportunities. But for me, I've just been focused on the opening range, the orb, as well as New York session view app. So very, very solid trading today, I must say. But I think the play of the day was probably these longs here, I would say, which I marked up. As I said, I'm always doing these daily report cards, but I actually marked up those longs, as you can see over here, from the opening range low to the opening range high, which, was very, very neat above New York session view app. I've literally just been focused on New York session view app and the opening range at the moment. But these longs over here, probably nice, probably missed out on some nice bucks over there. So, but we'll take it, 3,000 bucks on the day. Make sure to check out Edgeful. You can get the indicators over there. But yeah, nice little move there from this was the play over here. So nice 20-point move on yes. But yeah, that was my trading day today. So I hope that you guys enjoyed as always. And then we'll see you for the next one. Have a good day. And appreciate you guys always watching, finding some value here. Stay focused on the opening range and New York session view app. If you're trading London session, opening range, and the London session view app. London session is from 3 a.m. to 3:15, the first 50 minutes. So just keep that in mind. We'll see you guys tomorrow for another daily review.